Good morning, students. These days we are doing model test paper, or you can see the sample paper. And from the last 2 days, we are doing section A and section B. And today it is the turn of section C, that is your grammar section. In section A, you have done the reading part. Unseen passages you have done. In section B, you have done writing section, the story, email, and the third one is your message. And today we are doing the section C, and in section C you have 3 types of questions. The first one is your editing. Editing means there is one error in each line, the passage that has been given to you. In that passage there is one error in each line. You have to underline the error and you have to write the answer in the space provided. The next one is your sentence rearranging. You have been given jumbled words, you can say, and you have to arrange them and make a meaningful sentence out of them. And the third one, the questions are based on the topics that are in your grammar. So today I have taken 2 topics. One is direct, indirect, and the another is formation of words. So first of all, let us see the passage that is not edited, means the mistakes are there and we have to underline the mistake in that particular line and write the answer in the space provided. So let us read what is that. Yes, now it is visible properly. I have just lost 500 rupees and I was upset. I leave the money in my desk. Comma, inverted comma, started here. I leave the money in my desk, inverted comma, clause, comma, I said. The manager is very sympathetic, but he can do nothing. See, comma, inverted commas are there. So let us see what will be the answer. So we have given error also and the correction also, means we have to find out the error also, what is the error in each line and what is the correction in each line. So see here, the answers have been given. So in the first line, I have just lost 500 rupees. So what is the error? It is have. I had just lost 500 rupees and I was upset. I leave the money in my desk, means I had left the money in my desk. I said. The manager was very sympathetic, but he could do nothing. Means in place of can, it will be the answer is could. Have, had, leave, had left, is, was, and can, could. So this is the answer of first. Now see the second. Rearrange the words and phrases to form meaningful sentences. Write the correct sentence in your answer sheet or in your notebook. The first one has been done for you as an example. See, the first one has been done. The largest meat-eating Tyrannosaurus Rex was one of that ever-lived dinosaur. The name has been given. So, Tyrannosaurus Rex was one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs that ever lived. Now see the second. Were they about long 40 feet? So see the answer. They were about 40 feet long. Now see the second. Massive, it's 5 foot long, could bore skull into its prey. And see the answer. Its massive 5 foot long skull could bore into its prey. The third one. Could eat they up to 500 pounds in one bite of meat? Answer: they could eat up to 500 pounds of meat in one bite. And the last one: have it ever existed predators to amongst no largest to still? And the answer is, it is still amongst the largest known predator to have ever existed. Now see the next one. This is the topic of your direct and indirect speech. And I have direct also and indirect also, means answer are also side by side, so that you may not feel any problem and you can do them. I said Renu plays well. See, the simple present tense is there and it will change into simple past. When we change the direct into indirect speech, the change of tense is corresponding tense. So I said that Renu played well. He said Renu is playing well. Is playing, it is present continuous and it will change into past continuous. He said that Renu was playing well. Third one, you said Renu has played well. It is present perfect and it will change into past perfect. You said that Renu had played well. So these are the three examples of direct and indirect. You all will write them in your notebook. Now see, the next one is formation of words. And what is the formation? Formation of adjective from the verbs. Verbs have been given and the formation of adjective. Adjective and verb. Advisable, desirable, eatable, edible, move, tire, work. The answer is move then movable, tire tiresome, work workable, and see here advise advisable, desire desirable, and eat eatable or edible. Both the answers are correct. So verb, out of verb adjectives has been framed. So this is formation of words. So class, these are the questions that we have discussed today. It is the section C and you all will solve it in your English 2 notebook. In this way we have solved our section A and B, and today you will complete your section C. And tomorrow we shall discuss the section D, and after that our MTP will be completed. So it's bye for today. Bye students.